Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can share Reels to a group. So let's get right into it. Now, this is relatively easily done. You have two methods. If you have some of your Reels that you've already posted, or if you have Reels that you just find on the internet and want to share, all you have to do is just go and find the reel, click on the share button in the bottom right, and here you can select whichever one of your followers or your friends or even chat groups which you want to send them to, and all you have to do is just select them and then click send. And if you select multiple, you will see the button says send separately, such as this, as you can see, and then you just have to send it, and that's pretty much it. Alternatively, you can share it through any other type of media that you can see here. As you can see, you can share it just simply like that. Copy the link, share it on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, SMS even if you want, but that'll just send the link and then they'll have to open up Instagram to view it. Alternatively, if you're creating a reel and you want to share it, you can just record whichever reel you want, then click next and go into next. And once you're here in new reel, you're gonna have to go to audience and go click on everyone, and if you want to, you can just click on close friends and then share it with your close friends if you want to. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Once you select that and you post the reel, only your close friends will be able to view it. Alternatively, you can just, of course, post it and send them through a chat messenger. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.